Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Samsung Galaxy M23. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here, then another one can be found right on the top, and that's a phone call speaker, so it might not work during this test. And yep, that is all of the speakers. And now to actually determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of them, then that is a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly the sound is coming from only the bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.